Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to this session of Wellness, Wonder and Learning. Today, I am going to tell about the physics, that is, energy and work. Now, in everyday life, we see a moving car, a person lifting weights, or a windmill spinning. Ever wondered how energy powers everything around us? From a simple lift of a bag to rotation of a giant wind turbine. And what exactly is the work done in physics? Stick around as we break down the amazing concepts of energy and work in the simplest way possible. First of all, we will know different types of the energy that is kinetic energy, potential energy, and thermal energy, etc. Energy is the ability to do work. It is the reason why things move, heat up, or light up. There are different forms of energy. Number one is, as I said, kinetic energy, the energy of motion. Its best example is a moving car or a rolling ball. Now, this kinetic energy is measured by the formula kinetic energy equal to half mv square. Everyone knows this. Everyone is knowing this formula, half mv square, where m is the mass and v is the velocity. Next comes potential energy. The energy is stored due to position or height. The best example to understand is water stored in a dam. And the most important formula for measuring this potential energy is mgh, where m is the mass, g is the gravity, and h is the height. Other forms of energy are heat, light, chemical, or nuclear energy, and each play a unique role in our daily lives. Every day we face through this energy. Now, person pushing a box, lifting weights, and a crane working at a construction site, all these are form of energy. And this is the work, that is, in physics, work is done when a force is applied to an object and the object moves in direction of the force. So here energy is applied, but work is said to be done when there is movement in the work where it is applied, force is applied. And the best formula of work is force into distance into cos theta, where theta is the angle between the force and the direction of the motion. Force applied and in which direction it moves. This is the angle. This is cos theta. If there is no movement, however, force is applied but there is no movement, then there is no work done, even if you are applying a lot of forces. Example, pushing a wall doesn't count as work in physics. However, you push it through huge pressure. You apply huge force, but wall is not moving, so work is not done. So even lifting your school bag is work because you are moving it against the gravity. That is, moment is there against the gravity. That's why it is said that work is done. Now, the relation between work and energy. A pendulum swings. Pendulum when swings, then it is work done. Visuals of a ball dropping from a height, it is work done. Work and energy are deeply connected. Both are interlinked. When you do work on an object, you transfer energy to it. This is called work energy theorem. Work done on the object is equal to change in energy. How it is measured? That is, work done is measured. Work done by an object or on an object is equal to change in its energy. Energy position is changed. When you kick a football, what happens? Your work converts into ball's kinetic energy, and it is said that work is done. And now daily life applications. Wind turbines, batteries charging, and sports activities. All these are applications in daily life. Energy and work are everywhere around us. Wind turbines are the appliance which convert wind's kinetic energy into electricity, and batteries store chemical energy and releases it as electrical energy, and athletes use their stored potential energy to sprint or jump. Now you may think of everyday life where work and force is applied. Work and energy are both interrelated and how these are applied. And you can ask the question, suppose if a 2 kg ball is lifted 5 meters high, how much potential work does it gain? The formula is potential energy is equal to mgh. You calculate it and give me in comment. Now, energy and work are fundamental concepts that explain so much of what we see around us. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, physics makes the world go around. And if you have any questions on this, you please don't forget to ask in comment. Thank you very much.